The idea behind our grant application was that we would have these concerts with a tradition bearer and an innovator. And it's an interesting thing about traditional music that for it to keep going, or any tradition, you need people who are devoted to maintaining what the tradition is about, but you also need it to live in people's lives.
My favorite kind of traditional music is that the music that you play with friends and the music that your friends love, because I want to learn the tunes that other people play because I want to play music with those folks. I love the jams that are like really traditional, and I also like the crazy ones that are like, what on earth is this wackadoodle music? It's all good to me. The most important thing is that people are being great to each other and having good company and making fun music, and I think there's room for all of it.
What were people doing before Spotify and all that? They'll probably sitting in a barn just like we are right now playing music. So that's kind of, and exactly what you're doing here at the Rare Bird Forum is exactly what, like what's needed.